Hello, my name is Dylan Reynolds, and this is my problem and solution speech. My problem you've probably come across in your life, either at school or at job, and it's just the problem of AI. So one of my sources was the Pew Research Center, and that said that 37% of teens say they believe that too many of their peers are using the internet to cheat. Nowadays, all you need is just a click of a button, and then the AI can just write a 3-page essay about why hot dogs are better than cheeseburgers. But does this help society or does it hurt it? The poll conducted by the Benson Strategy Group revealed that 35% of teens admit to cheating with cell phones, and more than half admit to using the internet to cheat. More importantly, many students don't consider their actions to be cheating at all. Now, I can admit that I've definitely cheated once or twice out of a couple questions, but and that's why I think that public and private schools should go back to the good old paper and pencil. No more computers, no more internet, no more phones. I know this can seem a little bit harsh, but I believe that this will help students not only with not cheating, but also with not being distracted in school or when you're doing your homework. And as Christians, cheating is also lying, which is one of our commandments. Luke 16:10 says, "One who is faithful in a very little is also faithful in much, and one who is dishonest in a very little is also dishonest in much." This tells us that if we are dishonest just once, we are as guilty as someone that's dishonest all the time. So as Christians, we should realize that cheating is not only being dishonest to others, but also to ourselves. When a student turns in a paper assignment, the teacher can assure that the work they're turning in is their own and not just an AI copy. This is beneficial to the teacher, but also to the student. The student learns nothing but laziness from using AI. They don't learn anything. And in the real world, we should be teaching that you can't use AI for every single one of your problems. When you have a job and you get caught using AI, just as you get caught in school, you will get punished. You could get fired or expelled from a school. When you're an adult, you have to pay your bills, get a job, and buy a house. And AI can't do that, but maybe it could in a couple years, but we don't know that. Let me give you this example. You're typing up a paper, and then in the corner of your screen, you see a tab with YouTube. So you get off track and decide to watch it, but only for a couple minutes. 2 hours later, you're still watching it. Computers are helpful, but for students, they are more of a distraction. If you're doing an assignment on a paper, there are no tabs or distractions, so you will stay focused. Although I do agree that the internet is good to connect with friends and family, I do believe that teachers should mandate the use of pencil and paper. Because with the way things are going, our generation's doomed. Thank you.